soon as I finish taking my dust bath. You know, some of us birds like to take dust baths. It makes us so nice and clean and feathery and fluffy. Well, I think I'm done. Now let's go meet Snuffy.
Hi, I'm waiting for my best friend Bird. Have you seen him? There he is.
Hi there, old
Hey,
Snuffy.
Bird. Good to see you,
Oh,
Birdie.
you're wonderful. Nice to see you, old pal. Good night, Snuffy. You okay?
Yeah, Bert, I just have a little tickle in my snuffle. The tickle went away.
Oh, that's good, Snuffy. And now we can play. What do you want to play today?
Good question, Bert.
Gesundheit. Gee, your sneezes are nothing to sneeze at. Wow, Snuffy. Maybe there's something around here that's irritating you.
Maybe there is, Bert.
Yeah, so maybe we should go play by Hooper's turf. Maybe you won't sneeze there.
Good idea, Bert, and the sooner the better.
That's for sure. Oh, wait for me, Snuffy.
Yay, what, Snuffy? Yay, I'm not sneezing. Hey, did you hear that, Bert?
Yes, you're not sneezing, Snuffy. So now we can play.
Yeah.
What do you want to play today?
I don't know, Bert. What do you want to play?
Oh, no.
Oh, sorry, Alan. I'm sorry.
Wow. You really need to cover your snuffle when you sneeze, Snuffy.
With what? There's snuffle-sized sneezes.
Oh, I see something. Wait. I got something right here.
You okay, Alan?
Yeah, I'm fine. I guess that didn't work.
Sorry, Alan.
All right. Careful where you aim that snuffle, Snuffy.
Poor Snuffy. Look, there must be something here that's making you sneeze, too.
You're right, Bert.
Wait, maybe we should go play over the laundromat. Maybe it's okay there.
Good idea, Bert. I'm gonna hurry.
Oh, I hope this works, Alan.
Me
I
too.
hope it works. Oh,
Good luck.
hey.
Hi, Leela.
Hi, Snuffy. How are you?
Let's see. Excellent. I'm not sneezing. Hey, Bert, I'm not sneezing.
Really? Hooray!
Now we can play.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, dear. Oh, sorry, Leela.
Dear is right. Snuffy, you should cover your snuffle when you sneeze.
But he can't.
Here.
That's not a good idea. You okay, Leela?
Yes. I'm fine. But I don't think you are, Snuffy.
Oh, Snuffy, I'm afraid there's something here that's bothering you, too.
I think you're right, Bert.
Hey, guys. Hey, Leela. Is my laundry ready? It was.
Sorry.
Looks like I'm gonna have to wash it again.
Sorry.
Gesundheit, Snuffy, you should really cover your snuffle when you sneeze. Well, you do not want to go there, Gina. See you guys later. Hey, what's the matter? Come here, are you sick or something?
I don't feel sick.
Something is making him sneeze a lot.
Yeah, well, maybe you're allergic to something.
What's allergic?
Allergic is when you're really sensitive to something and that something makes you sneeze or itch. Yes, exactly. All right, you know what, Snuffy? We have to try to figure out what you might be allergic to around here, okay? Okay.
Allergic to something around here, maybe.
Yeah,
Well, let's see, what's around here?
yeah,
What about that?
Oh, Big Bird laundry detergent. Very good. That really might be it. Let's see, Snuffy, come here. Put your Snuffle right there.
Nothing.
Okay, it's not the laundry detergent.
Well, that's good, right, Snuffy?
What?
You know what? Here, give me your hand, Big Bird. Let's just walk over here so we're far away from Snuffy,
Really?
okay? Yep.
Okay.
Right here. We're just going to do a little
Over here?
experiment. Yep.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Here I am.
Yep.
Go ahead. I'm far from my best friend. Hi, Snuffy.
Hi, Bird.
Well, now what, Dr. Gina?
Well, let's just see what happens, okay?
Okay. Nothing's happening.
Yeah, nothing.
I know. Nothing's happening. Snuffy!
What?
You're not sneezing.
I'm not.
Nope.
I'm not sneezing. Am I? You cured me, Dr. Gina.
Wow, you're a really good doctor, Dr. Gina.
Well, I'm not done, okay? So let's walk over close to Snuffy again.
Okay, I like being
Yeah.
Snuffy.
I like being close to you too, Bird.
Then hi, Snuffy. I guess you didn't cure him after all, Dr. Gina.
All right, well, wait a minute. I'm not done with my experiment. Let's walk back again. Let's go far away from Snuffy.
Really? Okay, I'll see you later, alligator.
That's a wild crocodile.
Not too soon, baboon. Well, I'm far from Snuffy again.
And do you see what's happening again?
I'm not sneezing again.
Wait, he's not. Oh, when I'm far from Snuffy like I am now, he doesn't sneeze. But when I get close to him, like this, he sneezes. Oh, no. Snuffy, you're allergic to me.
I am?
Yes, I'm making you sneeze. Oh, right, Gina?
Yeah, it looks like that's what's happening.
Oh, no. I can't be with my best friend anymore.
Dear, this is terrible.
Well, Snuff, better let me give you one last hug. Then I'll have to be away from you forever.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you.
Oh, boy, am I gonna miss you, Snuff.
Oh, wait a minute. You guys have been friends forever, and this has never happened before. There's got to be a reason this is happening now. Don't worry, we'll figure this out, Big Bird. Oh, what's this?
What's what?
This.
Oh, that's just dust for my dust bath this morning.
Wait, Big Bird, you had a dust bath this morning?
Yeah, I often take dust baths. I had one just before I saw Snuffy today. See how fluffy my feathers are? See, look. What's it?
We figured it out. The dust is making Snuffy sneeze.
Of course.
Look out, Big Bird.
Oh, no.
Watch yourself.
Oh, dear Bird, are you okay?
I think so, Snuffy.
I think you might have sneezed all of the dust off of him, Snuff.
Really?
Well, there's only one way to find out, huh? Give it a try, Snuffy. Am I dust free?
I think so, Bert. I'm not sneezing.
Oh, yay! I can be near my best friend again.
I like